Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is a pink and black half cut crease. So I just created this look right here, and if you guys like what you see, make sure to subscribe, comment and share. Give me your comments below, and if you recreate this look, I will leave my Instagram details below. Make sure to tag me in it. So yeah, if you like it, stay tuned, and the tutorial is following. I'm gonna prime my eyes, and for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C9. I've already done my brows off camera, and I used the Anastasia Brow pomade in the shade Ash Brown. Taking Makeup Geek Vanilla Bean with a Morphe E21 brush, I'm gonna set all of that from the brow bone to the crease and the outer V. The reason why I'm not setting this area is because I'm going to go over it again, because I'm doing a half cut crease. So there's no point in setting that area, because I'm not gonna, because you need to set where you want to be able to easily blend. So I'm taking the Morphe 35B palette today. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, a brush like this. It looks like an eyeshadow brush, but it's a bit more fluffy. I'm gonna stamp that on the outer V. Notice I'm not tapping any of the colour off, because I'm gonna blend all of that out later. So right now I'm just tapping all the colours on. So I'm gonna take an inglot gel liner, and I'm gonna cut out that crease, and take my usual brush that I use to cut out the crease. Start off on the lid, and then carve that out, and then do the rest of the lid. Take the colour above it and blend out the outer part of it. Some more of the pink to the outer V. And then I'm gonna deepen the outer V a bit more, because the black is standing out a bit too much. I'm gonna take this colour here, the same brush. Then I'm going to take the black that's in this palette, so I'm taking this brush again, the lighter colour, and blend all the outside again. My eyeliner off camera as well, and I did the other eye off camera. I'm just gonna clean up. I'm using a different brush now, because the other one got a bit too much of the black on it, so I'm gonna deepen the outer corners a bit more. Black again, and add that on again because it's lost its colour. So I used the NYC liquid liner as my eyeliner, and then blend those together. I'm taking the lighter colour, just gonna blend everything out. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Put on some lip balm. This is the Boots lip salve. Really like this. I'm gonna prime my face with the Benefit Porefessional. Color correct with the matte prep and prime and let that sit in all the areas for now. Foundation, I'm gonna be using a mixture of Maybelline Matte and Poreless in 220 and Makeup Forever Ultra HD in Y365. I'm gonna highlight my face using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C9. So I've set my under eyes and the rest of my face with the Midnight Banana powder. I'm going to highlight my face first, and I'm using the Anastasia Peach Nectar highlight. I'm just going to bronze up using the MAC Give Me Sun. Highlight my Cupid's bow on my chin. So contouring, I'm using a face contour kit by Sleeping Brush. I'm just gonna carve out my cheekbones a little bit, just right here. And then I'm gonna blend that out onto here. So you want it to be more contoured over here. And I'm just gonna subtly bring that over here. Go over my nose a little bit, just slightly, and then more on this area. This brush here, which I used for baking, I'm just gonna rub it all over my nose, just so it becomes a light contour and it's not so visible to see. And I'm going to highlight a bit more. So for blush, I'm using Rose Gold by Sleep. Take a bit of the contour powder and just put it in between my Cupid's bow here. For setting spray, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter. For mascara, I'm going to use Ethereal, and for lining my lash line, I'm going to use MUA Intense Colour in Jet Black. And I'm going to do all of this off camera. And for lashes, I'm using the Primark Sosu range, and this is in Dubai. So I'm going to do all that, come back to you, and then I'm going to do the rest of my arm. So I couldn't put on the Sosu lashes. I found the band was giving me a bit of a problem. It had a bit going through it, and it was white, it wasn't black, and it wasn't properly clear either, so you could see the band. So I put on Iconic Light, this lighter pink here, and then gradually going into it. Now I'm going to pick up this pink, pick up this brush here, and I'm going to pick up the darkest pink here. And now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Peach Nectar again. Taking the NYX Soft Spoken Lip Liner. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it.